Hi, my name is Alok Bansal. I'm your friend and a career counselor. The topic we are going to cover today is tips to improve your score in CAT 2019 Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension section. When we're talking about verbal ability, reading comprehension, this is the first section which comes in the paper. And in the past, people used to shuffle sections and say, oh, I want to do this section last, but this is not the case any longer. 34 questions, we have 102 marks, and we have 60 minutes to perform. What should I do? What is the typical score people have been scoring in the past? Some people have started saying that this is the most scoring section I have in CAT, because if I understand the passages pretty well, I would be able to score well, and my overall score goes up. So if you really understand, there are two segments to this particular section, which is 24 questions in reading comprehension, which is around 4 to 5 passages, and you have 10 questions out of verbal ability, which is largely speaking not grammar any longer or vocabulary. It is parajumbles and maybe a passage where you have to infer the analysis of it or synopsis of it. And these, please understand, verbal ability section is TITA section, which means there is no alternative or there is no negative marking in that particular section. Though it is believed that parajumbles without an option becomes very, very tough, but that's the way it is. So can you ignore the attempt in that particular section? Not at all. I mean, please don't leave any question because there is no negative marking. How to attempt your paper as far as reading comprehension passages are concerned? Please ensure that you practice very well, understand passages from various genres, politics, economics, history, geography, anything around that, practice on that on a very, very regular basis. Ensure that your attempt in the entire reading comprehension verbal section is very high. I would say attempt 90% of the questions with 85% accuracy, because I am trying to aim at a score of 75 out of 100. I mean, if I get that score, my score is around 99 percentile in verbal ability reading comprehension, and I've jacked up my entire score, which enables or improves my chances to make it into a premium institution of my choice. So that's the way it is. Please ensure you practice well. Practice, do a lot of mock tests, analyze them, improve your speed, improve your accuracy, and I'm sure you would do well. So please subscribe to our channel JagranJosh.com and ensure that you keep watching videos like that, which would help you enable and get into premium business schools. Thank you.